Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll talk about my favorite bags that I use the most. By the way, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about luxury shopping, jewelry, Chanel bags, Dior, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, style and fashion, and beauty products. First bag on the list is my iridescent pink flap that I bought back in 2019, which is so beautiful. I like this bag so much and I have been using it quite a lot lately. I find this shade of pink so easy to style. It goes with many of my dresses, with my t-shirts and with my jeans. So far the bag looks okay, there is no color transfer. It still looks brand new and I have recently reviewed it in one of my videos, which I will link down in the description box below. I really love the way this bag looks at the bright light. It looks darker and it's shinier. It's so beautiful, and at the darker light it actually looks lighter. It's like a chameleon bag, which I like about it. And I have to say that the quality of the leather is still okay. It's not exactly the sturdiest, but so far it looks alright. I didn't have any issues with it whatsoever. Moving on to the next bag, which is my pearl bag, which I bought in the same year from the same collection by Carl. I love the fact that it's so easy to style this bag. It literally goes with any color. Pearls are so classic and elegant, and I would say that this bag is the easiest to style from my entire collection because it just goes with everything. I like it a lot, and I have to say the pearls are quite durable. They are not as delicate as I expected the bag to be. I was very careful with the bag. Of course, I can't throw it on the floor. I have to be careful where I am, make sure I'm not scratching it. But I use this bag very often and so far it looks like new. And next up is my reissue with charms that I love so much. I wear this bag very often. By the way, this bag is in a small size, and I have previously posted a video where I compared a reissue small versus small Chanel classic flap bag, and I also compared it with the medium flap so you can see the size difference. I will link that video in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out. I'm very happy that I got this design with charms. I was a bit hesitant because of the price. It was a lot more expensive than the classic flap back then, but now looking at the prices, the way everything costs now, I think I would pay way more for this bag right now at the current rate. So I'm actually quite happy I have it in my collection. And I'm actually quite surprised that Chanel doesn't have any new reissues with charms. I haven't seen it for quite some time, and I wonder if they will ever have them in the future because I like that this bag is so unique, it's so special, it's like a collector's item, but I doubt that Chanel will have them anytime soon. I guess we will see. And the next one is my rectangular mini in lambskin that I have recently purchased and unboxed on my channel. I will link down the unboxing video of this bag for you in case you want to check it out. This bag is literally all over my Instagram. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider to check it out. I have posted quite a few pictures with this bag and a few Insta stories as well. I really like this bag. It's so functional, it's so easy to use, and especially now when we are working from home, I tend to carry little bags with me and it's so convenient. I'm very surprised by the quality of the lambskin leather this season. It feels like it has been coated. It's a lot thicker and sturdier. Of course, it's not as sturdy as the caviar, but still for the lambskin, it's one of the best I have seen so far, and I'm very happy with it. By the way, guys, you have previously requested that I post a review video of this bag. I will use this bag for a bit longer and I will upload the video for you. Next up is my square mini in lambskin, and I posted so many videos and pictures with it. I really love this shade of blue. It's so unique and I use this bag very often. By the way, guys, I have previously uploaded the comparison video, rectangular mini, the previous one that I showed to you, versus square mini. And in case you want to check out this video, I will also link it down in the description box below for you guys. I find that this color is so easy to style. It looks perfect with jeans and it goes with so many of my outfits. That's why I have been wearing it quite a lot lately. I still have to send this back to spa. I have a small scratch on it from a barbecue party when someone sat down on my back and it just got damaged. But I will do that soon and let you guys know how it goes. I will show to you pictures afterwards. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. And next up is my white Chanel classic flap bag in the medium size that I bought earlier this year. And I'm so happy I managed to get it before the crazy price increase, and there will be another one coming. So I managed to save quite a lot on this bag. I wouldn't want to pay the new price that is coming in a few weeks time probably. It depends on the market, but I'm even scared to imagine what it's gonna be. Actually, this bag is from the 19B collection. It's from last year, but I sourced for it this year. I took some time to think about it, whether I need to have this color in my collection. Initially, I was very scared because it's pretty delicate. It's a wide bag, and many people that I know buy these bags and end up not using it because they're scared to have stains on it. But you know what? I have been using this bag so often lately. I mean, since the day I bought it actually, and I have been wearing it everywhere and it still looks brand new. I can always wipe it if I need to, but I never had any issues with it whatsoever. And of course, I'm pretty careful with it. I don't put it on the floor and I make sure I avoid clothes that can cause color transfer. Next up is my favorite black bag that I love so much. This one is made of calfskin and I have featured it in some of my videos. By the way, guys, if you haven't watched my full Chanel handbag collection video, actually 2 videos, I separated it into 2 parts. I will link it down in the description box below for you guys. You can see all the colors of the bags, shapes and designs that they have. I actually like to wear this bag with my beige and black sling bags. I like that the color of the sling bags is matching the stitching of the bag. And I have to say that the leather of this bag is pretty durable. There is no single scratch on this bag, on the leather itself, and I like that inside it actually has suede, which is so cute. I like it a lot. I miss all these special designs, well, different variations of the classic flap design that Carl used to produce, and unfortunately I don't see many of this nowadays. Hopefully Virginie will return some of this or maybe come up with new ones, but I really like this style quite a lot. And I remember when I purchased this bag, it was about 1K, maybe just slightly even more than the conventional classic flap bag. It was pretty expensive, but I'm still very happy that I have it in my collection and I know that I'll be using it for years to come. And the last but not the least is my pink Chanel Classic Flap bag in a small size that I purchased from the Cruise 19 collection. By the way, I really like that collection quite a lot. I purchased 3 bags from that collection: Tiffany blue, the red flap that I featured in my recent videos as well. I'm gonna link down those videos for you in case you want to have a look. And I use this bag quite often. It's so easy to style, it goes with so many of my items, and I like the fact that it's in a small size. It's very light, and I feel like the small size is perfect in this color combination. This bag still looks brand new. The leather is perfect. There is no any issues with the hardware either. And before, many people told me that light gold hardware has so many issues. I wouldn't say that is true. All my bags still look quite good. This is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If yes, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!